Let's discuss the endangered bluefin tuna. This majestic creature, found in the world's oceans, is known for its distinctive appearance and remarkable size. The bluefin tuna is one of the most sought-after seafoods, known for its high level of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other health benefits. However, the bluefin tuna's population has been steadily declining due to overfishing, illegal fishing, and habitat degradation. The fish is highly valued by the seafood industry and with a high demand. This has led to an increased rate of catch compared to the sustainable levels. The bluefin tuna is believed to have a natural population of around 100,000–150,000 individuals. But this number is dwindling due to human activity. The fish is caught using various techniques such as longlining, purse seining, and bottom trawling. The problem is further exacerbated by the fact that the bluefin tuna is highly migratory, and its preferred habitats are sensitive and rapidly changing areas, such as oceanic frontiers and coral reefs. These habitats are also among the most difficult to monitor and enforce conservation measures in. To protect the bluefin tuna population, various organizations and governments have introduced conservation measures, including fishing quotas, restricted fishing zones, and marine protected areas. However, it is important to note that these initiatives have yet to achieve the desired results, and more action is needed to preserve this magnificent species. In conclusion, the bluefin tuna is a creature that deserves our attention and protection. The increasing demand for seafood has led to concerns about the sustainability of the population and the need for stringent conservation measures, with a greater emphasis on sustainable fishing practices and habitat preservation. It is possible to ensure the survival of this iconic species for generations to come.